Hey everyone, this is Brendan and Agnes from Orange Tea AAG. We are excited to be back at this beautiful Keris estate. Remember our previous video that showcased these 3 stunning brand new terraces? One of them has already found a new owner.
Today, we are here to tour you around the other breathtaking corner terrace. This 3-story corner terrace with an attic sits on the 2,687 square feet freehold land, boasting an impressive 6,700 square feet of built-up area.
Starting at the entrance, we have a spacious car porch that accommodates 2 or even 3 cars, a feature every homeowner appreciates.
Absolutely, but wait until you see what awaits inside. Stepping into the house, we are enveloped in luxury by a grand timber main door and the wide and opulent European floor tiles of the foyer. The graceful foyer welcomes you into a generously spaced ensuite guest room. Now let's take a walk through the first level. A convenient home lift serves every level of this house, ensuring ease of access for everyone. And here at the backyard, we have 2 helpers' rooms, a helper's bathroom, as well as a laundry area.
Ready for the next level? Let's head up. The second level is where the magic happens. A grand dining area and living area overlooking a serene balcony lawn, perfect for entertaining guests or just relaxing after a long day. Right next to it, a fully fitted kitchen, flaunting the best of European fittings, awaits, ready to be the heart of your home.
Moving up, we are welcomed by a grand master bedroom, complete with a walk-in wardrobe and a luxurious bathroom.
On the topmost level, a junior master suite and a study room commands a breathtaking view of the entire Keris estate. Did we mention this house faces south, You will enjoy a fresh and cooling sea breeze throughout the day.
The location here is nothing short of fantastic. You have easy access to shopping malls like Parkway Parade, Katong I-12 and C Club Centre. Plus, the beautiful East Coast Park is just a short walk away, perfect for a weekend picnic or a morning jog. And for those of you with children, we are within 2 km of renowned schools like Tao Nan School, Niam Primary and CHIJ Katong. It is a location that truly caters to everyone in the family.
Brand new landed properties in such a prime location is hard to come by. Give me a call and grab this opportunity to own a high quality and ready to move in house today. This is Brandon
And Agnes from AAG Landed 7772, your compass for landed properties.